Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Kia Niro. Now of course you do get your LED daytime running lights. You then also get your projector housing, xenon headlights as well. You've got these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. You also get a tow bar fitted to the rear of this car, including rear parking sensors and a reverse camera at the top there. Into the tailgate now. You can see we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split, completely flat folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back now, you've got black leather and black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got electric windows all around. Only the driver's is automatic. You've got your automatic gearbox as well. You've then got your air conditioning controls in the middle, which is dual climate, as you can see just here. You've then got radio options in the middle, and then we've got your touchscreen display, which comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got your radio bands as well with DAB, FM and AM. Over to the steering wheel, we have your audio controls in the middle, Bluetooth hands-free below, voice assistant and your source just at the top here. Over to the right, you've got your cruise control settings, and then you've also got your onboard computer controls as well. Automatic headlights and windscreen wipers as standard, and as you can see, this car has done 17,750 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Niro, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.